Good morning YouTubers, it's the Crayon Demo here. Today I just wanted to do a video, a first impression and unboxing really of my new pedal and my delivery from Andertons. Now this video is not linked to Andertons in any way, shape or form. This is actually my Christmas present from my wife, and these have just arrived today, and today is the 29th of December 2020. So I kind of, we have paid for these. There's no sponsorship or anything like that. So let's get down to the video. So first of all, I've bought some Ernie Ball patch cables. They're 6-inch and they're the flat angle ones. I bought these through recommendations of people that I know. I do use Ernie Ball cables myself. I use the 10-foot one on my bass. So I'm going to give these a go because now I've got a couple of pedals. I want to see how they work, and obviously it'll all look a bit neater on my pedal board. So what I'll do, I'll put them to one side, but that's just part of the order, and they look really good. Happy with them. So what I've actually bought the Ampeg Liquifier analog chorus pedal. Now on the box, designed in the USA, made in China. There's the Ampeg label. And then just a cardboard box, very simple, with a simple label on. So I will open that end. This is the first time I've ever seen this pedal. Because it was bought online, you only get to see the online pictures. Now, I've never seen it in person, so this is going to be exciting. Okay, so as you can see there, so this is what the actual packaging looks like, and that looks really smart in my opinion. So it shows you the pedal there. What else have we got on? Serial numbers, again designed in the USA, made in China. 2019 Yamaha guitar group. That's interesting because my bass is the Yamaha BB414, a 2006 model. I didn't realise that Ampeg were part of the Yamaha guitar group. So let's get this opened. A little bit of tape there. Nice and steady with the scissors. Again, that's really nice packaging. Nicely. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that. So, safety instructions. I'll have a read of that before I do anything. Very good. And oh, here's the pedal. Comes in this plastic bag. And I'll just put that to one side for a second. And what else do we get in the box? A leaflet. Information for users on collection and disposal of old equipment. And we get the actual instruction manual. A quick start guide. Lots of languages. How to set it up. Very good. Yeah, really impressed with that packaging. It looks nice, it feels nice. I believe this pedal was in the realms of about, I think it was about £75, something like that. They were online at £89 in a lot of places, but £71 I believe. Well, currently today they're £71 if you wanted to buy one from Andertons. So let's have a look. Well, first impressions are very good. It feels very well made. It's got quite a bit of weight to it. You have the little rubber feet there, again the serial number, the 9 volt, but I'll just be running it off the batteries. That looks really nice. And how's it look that side? Yeah, that's lovely, that. And sort of mini, yeah, they're really nice. They feel nice to turn. And then a good solid click. So this pedal, it is a true bypass pedal. It's analog rather than digital, and you can use battery or a power source. As you can see, it's the Ampeg, which is, I don't know if you can see that on the video, but that Ampeg is slightly raised, and it's a lovely sort of, you know, really nice purple. That's just a sticker, but that's a raised sticker. And then we have rate, depth, and dry or wet of the effect level. Now I might do a video of how it sounds, but I just wanted to do first impression and unboxing. So in the or what you receive, you get that. You get your safety instructions, information, and booklet. You get this lovely box, and then you also get the external box as well. Fantastic. Now, the only other pedal I do own is the Electro Harmonix Big Muff, the bass Big Muff. And for comparison of size, and there it is. So the Big Muff is slightly bigger, but the chorus pedal is definitely taller. Probably similar size or similar height with the knobs, but the actual box itself, that is lower. Now for a quick rough, I've got a ruler here. Now that's about 9 and a bit centimeters, and the Ampeg is about 6.5 centimeters. That's just a quick guide. So if you've got room on your pedal board, I would recommend this so far for looks and for size. Now obviously I don't know what it sounds like yet, and that'll be another review, but first impressions, it does feel quality and it looks really nice. And if it is part of the Yamaha group, like it says it is, you know, I've never had a problem with Yamaha quality. It really is something special as Yamaha. And that's the end of the video, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope you liked it. See you later.